Slump and slump flow test.
Step 1. Moisten the inner wall of the slump cone and the base plate with a wet cloth to prevent water loss from the concrete without leaving visible water. Step 2. Place the slump cone at the center of the base plate and step on the pedals on both sides of the cone with your feet to prevent movement during the test. Step 3. Fill the slump cone with concrete mixture in 3 uniform layers. For each layer, insert a tamper 25 times evenly in a spiral pattern from the edge to the center. After compaction, the height of each layer should be approximately 1/3 of the cone height. When tamping the bottom layer, the tamper should penetrate the entire depth. For the second and top layers, it should penetrate through the current layer to the surface of the underlying layer. Step 4. After tamping the top layer, remove the loading funnel, scrape off excess concrete mixture, and smooth the top surface along the cone rim. Step 5. Clear away any spilled concrete from the base. Raise the cone vertically and steadily in 3 to 7s without twisting, and place it beside the specimen. The entire process from start of loading to cone removal must be continuous and completed within 150s. Step 6. Measure the height difference between the cone height and the highest point of the collapsed concrete sample using a steel ruler. This value is the slump of the concrete mixture. When the sample stops collapsing or after 30 seconds of collapse time. Step 7. Round the final result. Slump value should be measured to the nearest 1 mm and rounded to the nearest 5 mm. If the concrete collapses or shears on one side after lifting the cone, resample and test. If the same issue occurs in the second test, record and note the phenomenon. Step 8. Using a steel ruler, measure the maximum diameter of the spread concrete mixture and the diameter perpendicular to it. Take the measurements when the spreading ceases or at 50 seconds, whichever occurs first. Step 9. Final result confirmation. When the difference between the two diameters is less than 50 mm, the arithmetic mean value shall be taken as the slump flow test result. When the difference between the two diameters is not less than 50 mm, resampling and separate determination shall be conducted. The measurement of the concrete mixture slump flow value shall be accurate to 1 mm, and the result shall be rounded to 5 mm. The entire process of the slump flow test, from the start of loading to the measurement of the concrete slump flow value, shall be carried out continuously and completed within 4 minutes.